I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a MacBook Unibody. This happens to be a 2009. Other models of the Unibody are very similar in the way they change the batteries. On the bottom you'll see a bunch of little screws all the way around. Just going to take out all these screws. I'm using a J0 tip from nice handy kit here. You can pick up online, Amazon, fairly cheap. Take out all these screws. And once you got all the screws out, just gonna slide your fingers in there, just pry it off. And the battery's right here. I'm going to use that same screwdriver to take 3 screws off the back side of the battery. And then on the front side of the battery, you're going to have 2 screws here, and there's one underneath this tab. You have to just pry it up with your finger, or a small, flathead screwdriver or something. Slide up in there, and just so that you have a screw right there as well. The tip you need for this one is a Y. I think it's a Y0 or a Y1. Try the Y1. Yep, that works. So from your kit, or Y0, have the Y0. Let's see if the Y1 works too. Y0 is the tip you need. And take these 3 off. Alright, once you got all the screws out, you pull up this tab right here. You'll see it's attached to the motherboard right here. If you want to take a fingertip or small, something small and thin, and just pop this straight up from the back. Now we're just going to take our new battery, slide it in. Attach it to the motherboard. Just push it down firmly. Reinsert your screws. Put your top plate on, and you've just replaced the battery.